The lines on this graph give a way to convert between the metric system of length units and the British system of length units. The metric system uses units of centimetres, metres and kilometres. The British system uses units of inches, yards and miles. For example, point X on the graph, so here, shows that 80 metres in metric units is 88 units in British yards. So, an English tourist has a map which shows the distance from Hornsby as 40 kilometres. The graph shows that this distance in British units is 25, 44, 65 or 100 miles. So, from Gosford to Hornsby is apparently 40 kilometres. In metric units, remember? So, we look at this line here, which is kilometres to miles. We look and say how many 40 kilometres, so 40 kilometres will be found here. We go across to our line, and then we see to convert to the British units in miles. Then we'll run down the column to here. And it shows this distance in British units is actually about 25 miles, where our answer here should be A.